Greetings. How you doing? I just wanted to let you know and to give you a little bit of an introduction with this upcoming video. This is some part two of the pool and how everything went down. There's really wasn't able to capture a lot of video with this. I just wanted to get it out there to try to give a time frame and plus to clear up some of my memory card and all that good stuff. So without any further ado, welcome to part two of the Pool Chronicles on the brand new channel by me, I forgot the channel name. Our Backyard Resort. There we go. So used to saying Glenn the Day Tripper. That's defunct now, so till next time. Get out there, live differently. Thanks, y'all. The day after, everything went haywire. We had the wall up, and it was good to go, and then the storm came through. Our feeble attempts of trying to save it didn't work. So after the storm, I had to level out the ground again, get it all nice and smooth. There was a lot of divots in there for trying to get the wall back up. I had to get the bottom railing down, make sure all the pavers were still nice and level, and get it into a circle again so we could start rolling out the wall. And it was at this point is when we started to unroll the steel wall all the way around to make a complete circle. And this was the end result of that. Instead of sand for the bottom of the pool, I used these anti-fatigue foam mats. I know it was very unorthodox, but I did not want to put down tons and tons of sand all by myself. There was a better way, and plus I don't like how sand can just wash out. So I went and used these neoprene pads that are about an inch thick and outlined the bottom of the pool, and it turned out wonderful. The bottom has a good cushion. Nothing's going to grow through it, and it turned out to be a very, very good investment. Now, it is unfortunate that I wasn't able to get any good footage of the liner being put in. The liner is a J hook or a J bead, which just means there's like a little lip that goes over the side of the wall and clamps in with the top rail. We also took a shock vac and put the hose into the skimmer, sealed it up, and sucked out all the air to make the liner tight and to get rid of as many wrinkles as we could. And by the end of it, this was the end result. Most of the wrinkles were taken out with a broom, and it turned out very nicely in the end.